my Excel. We are very much specialized in solving word problems using model drawing. In this episode, I'm going to share with you on P517 questions, okay, on a fraction topic on the remainder. Okay, many students actually have difficulties understanding it. So I will try today to explain it in terms of model so that you all may follow, and hopefully it's easier for you to explain to your child, right? So let's look at the question. Miss Liang spent 15,000 to buy a new car. So she deposited 2/5 of the remaining money into her savings account and gave the rest of the money to her mother. Okay. Then if she gave 3/10 of her money to her mother, so what fraction of the money was deposited into her savings account? That's your A question. Your B, they ask for how much money that she has at first. Okay. Like we always share, I always share with you, we always need to know how many subjects so that you can determine how many models must we draw. So in this question, they talk about Miss Liang spending in terms of the money. So it's one model. Okay. So we have here one model. Alright. Then Miss Liang spent 15,000 to buy a new car. So we just have a portion. We just put the C for car, 15,000. Okay. So this is that. Alright. Then she deposited 2/5 of the remaining money into the savings account. So 2/5 of means the remaining money is talking about the remainder. Where's the remainder? The remainder is this one. Remainder. R for remainder. Okay. And what happened to this remainder? She saved some. Let's put SB for save. And this one is 2/5 of means R for remainder. We follow exactly. Deposited 2/5 of means the remainder. So the remainder is here to here. So 2/5 of remainder. Okay. Then after that, she gave the rest to her mother. In terms of fraction, if she gives her mother 3/10 of her money to her mother, so the fraction, the actual fraction is 3/10. There is a difference between, this is not the actual fraction. When they say 2/5 of something, it's not the actual fraction. The actual fraction is like this, when they mention like 3/10 of her money. Her money here refers to the total sum, the original amount of money that she has, okay? So we need to, the child needs to be able to identify which is the actual fraction, which is not, alright? So we have the 15,000 for the new car. The remainder, which is 2/5 of the remaining for the savings, and the rest to the mother, which is 3/10. 3/10. So they ask now what is the fraction of the money that she was depositing inside the saving account. Means they are asking for the actual fraction here. Okay. So how do we do this? We see here as 2/5 of the remainder. The remainder is 5. So the remainder here, because of the total 5, it will be, the remainder will be 5 or 5. Right? So the remainder here, you minus the saving 2 units. So your mother here, this is considered as 2 units. Because of 2. Okay? The 2 units. And means that if the mother, the saving is 2 units, the mother will be 3 units. Okay? In terms of unit, the mother is 3 units. And in terms of fraction, the equivalent will be 3 units is equivalent to your 3/10. Okay. So your first step is maybe the mother, in terms of unit, you take 5 units, you minus 2 units equal to 3 units. Alright. Then you know your 3 units is equivalent to your 3/10. Alright. And you need to find the saving in terms of actual fraction. So it's 2 units. Again, we can do the first multiply. So 3/10 divided by 3 units to get for 1 unit, right? So 3/10 we divide by 3, you multiply by 2. Okay? So this one, remember, this is a divide. So we can't do, we need to change into multiply. When you change into multiply, this one you have to invert. Okay, you toggle it back. So 3 over 10, we change to multiply. Then this becomes 1 over 3. And times, this is over 2 over 1. Okay, so we can cancel this off. And this one, also we can cancel this 1 and this is 5. And this answer will be 1 over 5. So your A question, this is your A question. Your A question, the 2 unit which is the saving, the actual is fraction is 1 over 5. Okay, 55. Alright. Then they ask for B. The B is how much money does she have at first? Okay. Again, we need to get the equivalent. What's the equivalent? We need to know the car that she spent on in terms of fraction. We already know mother 3 over 10. We know the saving 1 over 5. We make the denominator the same. So it becomes, this is 10. This is times 2. Times 2. Here is 2 over 10. So this is the new one. Okay. So we have mother 3 over 10. We have saving 2 over 10. So the car will be 5 over 10. Okay. So we need to show, I can show here the B. Car will be 1 whole, we minus the saving 210, we minus your mother, the mother 310, which will give us 510. Okay, so this is 5 over 10. Alright, because it's all now the same denominator, we can simply say the car 5 unit is equivalent to your 15,000. Alright, now we need to find for the whole amount, which is here to here. That's your question mark for B. Alright, so how do? We need to find for 10 units because the total is 10 units. I think we need a space. On here. Just now is 5 units, right? 5 units is 15,000. We need to find total unit is 10 units, which is then is 15,000 divided by 5, which is your 1 unit, multiply by 10. Okay? You can cancel this to this. This is 2. So 2 times 15 is 30, right? 30, and you have the 2 0 is 30,000. So this is your answer for B. Alright, your first answer for A is this 1 over 5, and your second answer is 30,000. Alright, so I hope this video helps you to understand more clearly on the fraction topic when you have a remainder there.